So I work mainly in the field of Parkinson's disease and more broadly in neuroscience. One of the areas in Parkinson's disease that's really been revolutionized over the past 10 years is the genetic analysis. And this has really absolutely depended upon sharing and reproducing data to make the genetic data freely available so that researchers around the world can use it, that they can assess it, that they can see whether it's actually reproducible, and especially the sharing of genetic data in the context of trying to understand what can cause Parkinson's. It's probably one of the best examples from my own area of neuroscience. Although we are a research community, and we are working together to try and address major challenges, we're also competing against one another. We're competing against one another for papers, for grants. And so there is an intrinsic block on making stuff available early and making stuff available freely, just in case what you're doing is you're undermining your own ability to publish studies or to get that next grant which will fund your research in the future. One of the ways in which this is being addressed, again in my own area of Parkinson's, is that funding bodies, and especially large-scale funding bodies, which are using their funding to ensure that people are making data available by making open availability of data and open publication a prerequisite of funding coming through. So there are ways to address it, but it's not an easy thing to do. The UK Reproducibility Network, UKRN for short, provides a national framework for reproducibility and open practice. It provides benchmarks, and it provides best practice, and it provides a community where you can share ideas, share training, share the best ways of doing things across all of science and all of research, stepping outside of science as well. And UKRN provides a framework for that. In terms of learning more about UKRN and openness and reproducibility in research, I think a very easy step is to have a look through the UKRN website. Have a look at the portal, look through all of the material that's on there. The network's pretty large now, and there are a lot of institutions which are involved in it and have local leads, local institutional leads, and champions of open research. So have a look at your own institution, see whether there's somebody you can talk to there, and take it from there.